Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off and removing the shell. This exposes the button area and prevents accidental damage. Once done, remove SIM and SD so nothing interferes. You should check the software controls now, volume slider, do not disturb, and accessibility volume limits, because a hardware inspection is wasted if software is blocking sound. Then, use a flashlight to inspect the button for debris. If visible gunk is present, proceed to the targeted cleaning step right away. You now focus on removing grime and isolating software faults because dirt and faults often mimic mechanical failure. Start by blowing compressed air into crevices, then gently swab around the button with a minimal amount of 90% isopropyl on a lint-free swab. This dissolves oils and dries quickly. Next, boot into safe mode or built-in diagnostics to rule out apps or firmware. If the problem persists and you're confident, open the chassis to check the flex cable and contact alignment. Bent contacts need careful realignment. You finish by reassembling the device with deliberate care, making sure every cable and bracket lines up. Misshated parts can break function. Once closed, power up and test the volume button in normal mode, then safe mode, and restart to let the system recalibrate. If it still misbehaves, back up data and try a factory reset as a last software step. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent or mechanical noise remains, stop. Continued use can worsen damage. Contact a professional repair service for replacement parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.